The last couple of months have been a whirlwind, to be honest. It's been fantastic. I've got married to my awesome Russell. We had a brilliant wedding and I did a lot of dancing, which was fantastic. I got some new dance moves. And then we did the home show, which was just an incredible opportunity to be amongst lovely people who want to do renovations, and also to talk about our process and to showcase some of our amazing projects that we've been working on. And then we went on a lovely holiday just a week away to Niue, went fishing, we went diving, we went snorkeling, and I said to someone, all I wanted to do was just to put my face into the water and just watch fish for a while. And that's exactly what I did. It was fantastic, yeah. And as far as the projects are concerned, we've got such a wide variety of things going on. We've got this beautiful villa that we're renovating at the moment. We're putting a huge extension out the back, extending the kitchen, redoing all the bathrooms, doing all the floors. We're just doing a really, really comprehensive renovation on this particular site. And we're doing a couple of lovely bathrooms, some decking coming into summertime, and a few kitchens and a few re-roofs as well. They are grabbing hold on to every conversation, they're listening really well, and they are taking on board all of the positive affirmations that we have, our values, our team talks are positive, and if there's anything that they feel that they need to bring up to us or they feel they need to share with us, they do, which is really positive. It's good to have that open communication, and the ideas that they've brought to the team. We had our foreman's meeting 2 weeks ago, and we said, look, nothing is off the table, nothing is a silly idea, nothing is a bad question, just give us everything. And there was a bit of silence around the room, a bit of laughter, a bit of hee hee, and they started opening up, and some of the conversations that we had were really good, talking about the kind of music that we listen to on site, and also the kind of banter we have after work. What do you do after hours with your kids or with your family? What are the activities that you do to exercise and to eat healthily? So one of our apprentices brings his air fryer to work, and it's a battery little one, so he puts his air fryer on and he has steak and broccoli for morning tea. I was like, who are you? What happened to the pies and the V's of the world? Well, that's the kind of positive thing we love to have on site. One of the biggest differences that we've had is the ability for people to look inwards and recognize that what they portray outwards may not be the best, I would say. We have one particular person who just has a very short temper, and he doesn't realize he has a short temper until it just exploded one day. And he said, actually, I think I've got some anger going on. It's manifesting in everything I say, everything I do. His pencil is very, very short, and it's getting sharper and pointier. And that's a metaphor, but he said to us, can you just help us, because I'm not sure how to go about it. So we said, look, I said, thank you so much for letting us know where you are, in your mental fitness. Let's get some strategies behind you. Let's get a program for you. So we put him on a course, and that was for about 8 months or so, and it's worked brilliantly. So every time he feels frustrated or things are claustrophobic for him, he has strategies in place to be able to focus and be easy, and that has manifested positive things in his life.